Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to restore Snapchat streak without paying. For example, if you have Snapchat streak with one of your friends and it has broken, now if you want to recover it back, so how are you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after that you have to simply click on settings, and starting you have to scroll it down until you find the option of I need help. So here you have to simply click on that. If you click on that, then you will find the option of Snapchat Sport, and in Snapchat Sport section you have to simply search for Snap Streaks. So you will find many options in Snap Streak search. So after you search a Snapstreak, you will find many options in Snapstreak search. So first one is how Snapstreak work and how when do they expire. So the second one is I lost my Snapstreak, how do I restore it. So if you click on that, they will tell you how you can restore it back. First check your Snapstreak is eligible to restore, which means you have to check whether it can be restored or not. If it can be restored, then it will be very difficult. And here there is option available. If you see restore option badge, then you can simply click on restore and you have to follow the instruction to get your streak back. If it doesn't work, that restore badge, then what you have to do, you have to simply fill this form so that your Snapchat streak can be restored without paying. So here what you have to do, you have to simply provide here your username, and you have to provide here your email, you have to provide your mobile number, and after that you have to provide here your device, and you can also provide your username, which means you have to provide that person username you have Snapchat streak, and you can tell the issue, what the issue have done, and you can simply tell the date when your Snap streak expired, and you can simply select this kind of icon appears or not, and here you can simply explain the describe the problem of Snapchat streak. After describing the problem, what you have to do, you have to simply fill the captcha here, and after filling the captcha you have to simply click on submit, and within few hours Snapchat will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.